Welcome to the Majestic Princess. We are Robin and Chet from Sea Leg Journeys. Come with us as we tour some of the fantastic places on this ship and see what she has to offer. The International Cafe is located here on the piazza deck, and it offers sandwiches, desserts, and even breakfast items. It is open 24 hours a day and is included in your fare. On the piazza deck, be sure to go over and get your photograph taken with that giant bottle of wine, like Robin from Sea Leg Journeys just did. The music will get you dancing on this ship for sure. We're heading over now to the Harmony Chinese restaurant. This is specialty dining, so there is an upcharge to it, but we found out it was well worth it. The food was great, the atmosphere and the service were excellent, and they had gluten-free food for Robin, which made it especially good for us. Harmony Restaurant is found only on the Majestic Princess. Be sure and book this as early as possible because it tends to sell out very fast.
Yeah, she told me, she says it's not necessarily marked on the menu, but if you tell the waiter, so even though there's not gluten-free options on the menu, when you tell your waiter you're gluten-free, they'll show you the items on the menu that you can have that they can make gluten-free for you.
Still on the piazza, we find ourselves walking to the Lotus Spa. It has fantastic facilities, but we're going to let someone else tell you about it.
So, hello, this is our amazing spa on the beautiful Majestic Princess. I'm Davina, all the way from Jamaica, and I'm on one of the best massage therapies here. I'm actually the host, so what I tell you about is what we're doing here in the spa. We take you around, show you our lovely facilities. We have an amazing enclave where you have the steam room, sauna, and hydrotherapy pool. We also have a raffle this evening that you win up to 500 spa credit. You have to sign up here. We offer massages, facial, nail treatment, hair treatment. Punika, she's all the way from Thailand. She's one of our massage therapists on board. She's going to take me around.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Where are you from? We're from Florida. We're from Florida. I'm from Thailand. Welcome to our Lotus Spa. I will show you around. Please come. And what we have here, we have our teeth whitening specialist. Can you tell about yourself?
Yeah, sure. You can come closer a little bit. I'll show you what I do.
Beautiful. Pedicure product. Okay. When you do this pedicure, you will see the beautiful nutrition cockroach.
Look at this.
It's very nice for the foot spa. We have our nail technician that they are very good. They're from Jamaica. The crochet and the facial and then the massage. And they will make you like a king here. Make you like a king. Yes.
Yeah, I've done that
And
once.
if
It
you
was awesome.
Take him away for an hour. You can keep him in just 5 minutes. Her name is Dr. Anna. Let me show you.
This looks just like the Sky Princess, the Regal Princess.
Exactly like them.
Yeah. Okay, so we got this is deck 16 on the Majestic Princess. There is your towel exchange. You've got these great views out here. Look at this.
There's that thing you want there.
There's a thing behind me that I like that she don't like. What could it be, y'all? Oh, look at that. It's the Skywalk. Y'all like the Skywalk?
Yeah, I
Come on. Come on, everybody. Let's walk on the Skywalk. I ain't scared. And look, we got a dude washing the window. This is something you don't see every day. Guy washing the windows on the ship way up high like this. He's in a safety rack. Oh, he's painting. He's not washing windows, he's painting. How about that? He is painting the side of the ship with that. Look at that. Hey, we want to take a moment to ask you if you're enjoying this video in any way, how about giving us a thumbs up?
And subscribe to the channel. We would really love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. Now, back to the video.
Let's go over here and see what Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is doing. We've got a sailaway party right out here, everybody. There's our TV screen for Movie Under the Stars. This one has a light show like the Regal Princess that the Sky Princess doesn't have. So if we're out here, it won't be tonight, but maybe tomorrow night we'll be able to see this light show. Because tonight, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has booked us a massage. That's right, we got a 100-minute. We're approaching the noodle bar here on the Lido deck. The Majestic Princess is the only ship that has this noodle bar. It has a lot of gluten-free options as well. Oh, look at there. Look at it, we got bamboo shoots, seaweed, spring onions, basil, chives, pickled onion, radish, pickled ginger, fresh onion, kimchi, lime, chili oil.
I give it vegetable miso.
Sure. Menu right there. This is the Burger and Lobster Grill. The burgers are included in your fare. The lobster rolls, however, are not and come at an extra charge. You can also get street tacos, grilled chicken sandwiches, loaded fries, and hot dogs. At Swirl's Ice Cream, you can get free ice cream in a cone or in a cup. Plenty of covered areas here to sit in or sunny areas. Princess now also has premium desserts, which are at an extra charge. The premium desserts are made with gelato. They are so wonderful. I had a couple of them. I love them. The buffet is loaded with so many things to choose from, so many great options. You can find something that you're looking for. Even sugar-free, gluten-free, animal-free products. Princess Buffet has everything there. Okay.
This is the Wakeview bar, so there's no pool back here.
No Wakeview pool. Okay. This is deck 17, the aft section, and it is entirely reserved for smokers. This is the big smoking section. You got shaded areas, you got sunny areas right on the back of the ship for great views. This is the Vista Lounge. During the day, you'll have many different activities like trivia and even line dancing. At night, live bands will be in here playing for you so you can dance the night away. Right now, what you see is reserved for the Platinum and Elite Party, which happens every night before dinner time. This is Princess Live, where they hold live game shows where you can be part of the action or just come and observe. The seating is limited, so you want to get there early. Also, you can see here that the chairs aren't especially large. Here we have an indoor swimming pool. Even though we're in Alaska on this cruise, the dome overhead is closed and it is very warm and humid in here. This area is known as the Hollywood Conservatory. It is unique to the Majestic Princess, the only ship in the fleet that has it. It has a wide variety of seating for you. Lots of glass windows that you can look out of, all different types of chairs, couches. There will be something in there that you can get comfortable in. There are a lot of topiaries in here too that you can look at. This is the Take 5 Jazz Club. At night they'll have a live jazz band in here. During the day, they have a lot of big screens so you can watch the sports on.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.